Welcome back. If you are new here, I am Zero the Painter. Today, we're going to do a frog sketch using a glass dip pen. First, we'll start by drawing everything in light pencil. That way, if you make a mistake, you can easily erase it. We'll draw the eyes, the basic frog back shape, and then add some legs. As you can see, it's really light at this stage, but don't worry, we'll darken it up later. Now we'll add some ink. We'll draw everything in black over our guidelines, following them very closely. This is just a basic outline for now. Next, we'll go in with some shading lines. These are just straight lines at first, and they're here to show you where the shading will go. Then, we'll go back and curve all those lines. If you look closely, you'll notice my shading lines don't touch the edge. That's so I can add a curve afterward. Now we'll make our lines a little thicker and add some curves. As you can see, you just add one piece at a time, and pretty soon you have a complete drawing. Next, we'll add a few shadows to give it depth. Before I erase all the pencil marks, I'll dry the ink first with a heat tool. Once it's dry, I'll erase all the pencil marks, and voila, we have a completed drawing. What do you think of it? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. If you want to see more, just click on the playlist, and we will see you next time.